Welcome to another exciting video where we're going to explore the top 7 ways to make passive income. If you've ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep or lounge on a beach, this video is for you. Financial freedom and a steady stream of passive income can transform your life, giving you the time and flexibility to focus on what truly matters. As a finance expert, I've spent years researching and experimenting with various passive income strategies. Today, I'm going to share my top 7 methods with you so you can start building your own financial empire. But first, a quick reminder. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Now, let's dive into the top 7 ways to make passive income that we'll be covering in this video. These methods have the potential to generate significant passive income when done right. So buckle up, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to learn from the best. You won't want to miss a single minute of this game-changing video. All right, let's dive into our first method for making passive income. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a fantastic way to earn money while you sleep, and they're perfect for beginners as well as seasoned investors.
So what exactly are dividend stocks?
They're shares in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends, usually on a quarterly basis. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get started with dividend stocks? The key is to look for companies with a solid track record of paying dividends consistently and preferably increasing them over time. These companies are usually well-established, financially stable, and have a strong competitive advantage in their industry. To find such companies, you can use stock screeners and filters to search for high dividend yields, payout ratios, and other key metrics. When investing in dividend stocks, diversification is essential. You'll want to spread your investments across various industries and sectors to minimize risk. It's also a good idea to reinvest your dividends, either by purchasing more shares of the same stock or by diversifying into other dividend-paying stocks. This strategy, known as dividend reinvestment, allows you to grow your wealth exponentially over time. Remember, dividend investing is a long-term strategy, so patience and discipline are vital. As your dividend income grows, you'll enjoy a steady stream of passive income that can help you achieve your financial goals. Stick around as we explore more ways to make passive income in this video. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Moving on to another powerful method for generating passive income, real estate investing. Real estate is a time-tested investment that has created wealth for many people throughout history. But don't worry. You don't have to be a millionaire to get started in real estate investing. There are multiple ways to invest, even for beginners. One popular strategy is rental properties. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can generate a steady stream of income from the rent payments. To be successful, you'll need to carefully choose the right property, manage it well, and maintain a good relationship with your tenant. Another option is real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties without the hassle of property management. REITs trade like stocks and pay out dividends, making them an attractive option for passive income seekers. If you're interested in getting started with real estate investing, do thorough research and consider speaking with experienced investors or real estate professionals to learn from their insights. Remember, real estate investing takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn. Don't miss out on more valuable tips and strategies for making passive income. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it helpful. Now let's dive into another fantastic way to generate passive income, peer-to-peer lending. Tube lending is a relatively modern investment opportunity that connects borrowers with individual investors through online platforms. By cutting out the traditional financial institutions, tube lending can offer potentially higher returns for investors while providing borrowers with more competitive interest rates. As an investor, you can choose which loans to fund based on your risk tolerance and desired return. Many tube platforms will spread your investment across multiple loans to diversify your risk. This way, even if some borrowers default on their loans, you can still make a profit from the interest on the remaining loans. Keep in mind that Tube lending is not without risks, as borrowers might default, and the platforms are subject to economic fluctuations. Before diving in, research different platforms, their track records, and the types of loans they offer. Start with a small amount and increase your investment as you gain confidence and experience. Stay tuned as we continue exploring more passive income strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Cryptocurrency staking is an exciting passive income opportunity that's gaining popularity in the digital world. Staking involves holding a specific type of cryptocurrency in your digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return for your participation, you'll earn a share of the network's rewards. But how does this work? Certain cryptocurrencies like Ethereum 2.0 and Cardano use a proof of stake POS consensus mechanism. Instead of relying on mining to validate transactions and create new blocks, POS networks select validators based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. The more you stake, the higher the chance you have of being chosen to validate transactions and earn rewards. For beginners, staking can seem complex, but many cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets now offer user-friendly staking services. Just remember to research the staking requirements, potential returns, and risks associated with the cryptocurrency you're interested in. So if you're intrigued by the world of cryptocurrencies and looking for a way to earn passive income, staking might be the perfect fit. Stay tuned for even more passive income ideas. Creating and selling digital products is another fantastic way to generate passive income, especially if you have a skill or passion that others can benefit from. Digital products can be anything from books and online courses to design templates and stock photos. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, you can sell them over and over again without any additional effort or cost. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable can help you set up your online store or course platform with ease.
To get started, think about your unique skills or knowledge that others may find valuable.
Are you great at photography? Consider selling stock photos. Do you have expertise in a particular subject, right? And book or create an online course. Once you've created your digital product, focus on marketing it effectively through social media, email marketing, and content creation. The more people know about your product, the higher the chances of generating sales and passive income. Remember, your potential for success is limitless. Keep exploring these passive income ideas, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Affiliate marketing is an incredible way to earn passive income by promoting products and services you love. The concept is simple. You recommend a product or service to your audience, and if they make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. To start, you'll want to find products and services that align with your interests and expertise. This ensures that your recommendations come across as genuine, and you'll be able to provide valuable insights to your audience. Many companies offer affiliate programs, so do some research and find the ones that fit your niche. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you can create content centered around the product or service you're promoting.
This can be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even podcast episodes.
The key is to provide valuable information to your audience, while also highlighting the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. As you grow your audience and provide consistent, high-quality content, your passive income potential will increase. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations and make purchases, earning you those sweet commissions.
Renting out assets is another fantastic way to generate passive income.
This strategy involves leveraging items you already own, such as a car, property, or equipment, and renting them to others for a fee. For example, if you have a spare room in your home or own a vacation property, you can list it on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. By renting out your space, you can earn extra income without much effort. It's important to price your rental competitively and maintain a clean, comfortable space to attract guests and receive positive reviews. Similarly, if you own a car that you don't use regularly, you can rent it out through platforms like Turo. Just make sure to check local regulations and insurance requirements before getting started. In summary, there are countless ways to create passive income streams, from dividend stocks and real estate investing to affiliate marketing and renting out assets. The key is to find opportunities that align with your interests and expertise and stay committed to providing value to your audience. As you grow your passive income streams, you'll enjoy greater financial freedom and flexibility. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful in your journey to build passive income. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.